हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, क्या हाल है। चलो आज का चैलेंज स्टार्ट करते हैं। ओह वाओ, देखो इसको मारो और मारो, इसको मारो और मारो मेरी तरफ से। वाओ टॉप।
There's so many sweets here. We need to carry even more. Don't worry, we'll handle this for sure. Oh no, the alarm went off. Let's hide. Move over, Zach. Well. Who do we have here? There's no point in resisting. You've been caught. Get off me. I don't want to go to jail. Bye, Lucy. It's good I still have some sweets. Come on, hurry up and get in the cell. This is your new home now. Make yourself comfortable. And don't even try to escape. I'm watching you. I'm sure Zach will help me anyways. In the meantime, I'll cheer up with a chocolate bar. He'll definitely cheer me up. In our prison, prisoners are not allowed to eat sweets. No! It's time to work on my accuracy. It's a good thing I have a new target. I'm such a pro. I always hit a bullseye. Ah, my head! Well, you shouldn't have gotten in front of me. Sorry, I just want to do some cleaning. Okay, so be it. Come on in. Just don't bother me anymore. I'm working. There's Zach. I'm so hungry for some sweets. Lucy, hi. Do you recognize me? Come closer so they don't hear us. It's me, Zach. Hey, buddy, I've been waiting for you. What is that? Do you recognize it? Take a closer look. It's chewing gum. You have no idea how tasty it is. You should definitely try it. Sure thing. What a great idea you came up with. I thought it was a mop at first. Wow, really delicious. I'm glad you like it.
Oh, yeah.
It's nice to see you. I'm so happy to see you too. Look at the bubble I can make now. Lucy, I think you better not do that. You don't want to draw attention to us. Was that an explosion? Can't be. I guess I just imagined it. Lucy, you can't take that risk. I think we got lucky this time. By the way, I've got something here. A bucket of slop? Are you kidding me, Zach? You're silly. It's Coca-Cola. Here, I brought a straw, just to make it easier for you. I love you, Zach. This is so good, so delicious. I knew you'd appreciate it. Oh no, I'm gonna burp because of all the gas. What are you doing, Lucy? They'll hear us. Now, I definitely wasn't imagining it. There's an intruder in our jail. Well, hold on. You gotta deal with me. Take your time, Lucy. If I were you, I'd hurry up. Excuse me, I have to go. You can't just walk away. What have you done? Bye, everyone. Ah, it's slippery. I won't forget you. And you, one more misdemeanor, and you're both gonna be sorry. Help me. I don't feel so good. What's wrong with you? I'm infected. I need a doctor urgently. Please hurry. I think she believed it. I really didn't want to get sick from her. I'd better throw away these glasses. She's right. We need a doctor. Help! I think there's an infection in our prison. Did you call a doctor? Save me, doctor. I need to go to the source of the infection. I'm having trouble breathing. Help me. The doctor's already here. Don't worry. Wow, Twix. I like this medicine. Yeah, there's so many chocolates. I think I got lucky. Lucy, don't you recognize me again? It's me, Zach. I wonder what's in there. I'm afraid of injections. Don't. Oh, I feel sick. Lucy, it's juice. Don't worry. Just open your mouth. Orange is my favorite. Thanks. I want even more. Time to move on to the more serious medicine. I'm also not adverse to a little preventative medicine. These are the best pills in the world. You're right, Lucy. I love it. Well, what is it? I hope the infection isn't fatal. Are they eating sweets? This is an outrage. Zach, let me have a bite. The sweet couple again. Well, hold up. This time you're not getting away from me. I've caught you. You can't take me if you tried. Take this. Up to your tricks again. What can I do? See you later, Lucy. My head's spinning. Where is he? Stand still, I'll catch you. I'm already running. Oh no, I think I went in the wrong direction. What are you looking at? You think you can get away with this? Let me see what you've got here. Yes, sweets, just like I thought. I'm confiscating this. Leave at least one chocolate bar, please. Training is the key to good health. Lunch, lunch. Stand still.
Stop.
First, what do you have there? Nothing special. Pasta. Here, take a look. Wow, and it's still warm. Looks delicious. Give me some.
Yes!
Of course, anything you want. I hope this plate is enough. But if there's anything else you need, just call me. I'll always bring more. No, I'm not used to waiting. It's better you give me the whole thing right now.
Okay.
And give me the tongs. How else am I supposed to eat this? Enjoy your meal. Thanks, I'm so hungry. Where's Zach with my sweets? Lunch, lunch. Come a little closer to the bars. Looks like she doesn't recognize me. Lucy, it's me. I've been waiting for you, Zach. Did you bring me some macaroni? I don't want to eat that.
What?
Don't pay attention to that. That's just a distraction. I saved something even better for you. Look at these huge burgers. Do you like them? This is great, Zach. Oh, I love you. This is the best thing I've ever been given. I can't stop. It tastes so good. Well, I finally got some food. It's a pity that the pot was so small. I wouldn't be against seconds. Now I need to rest properly. What's that smell? It reminds me a lot of burgers. I wonder where it's coming from. I need to figure it out. Oh, I can't get up. I'll have to use the chair. Zach, I was starving to death without you. I knew it! Give me that burger right now. Not again. Please don't take it. Don't try to make me feel sorry for you. My burger. Ooh, Snickers. I love it. As a guard, I can enjoy one. But the prisoners can't. I want a chocolate bar too! Wow, the bars are broken. Does that mean I can get out? What a stroke of luck. Oh no. Don't look at the Snickers like that. I won't give it to you anyway. We'll see about that. I'll do anything to get it. I'll eat it all right before you. Hey, leave me alone, or else I'm gonna call for backup. Help! The prisoners escaped from the cell! You can't hold me back! Hurry up, she's breaking out! That's all. Now there's definitely no way she'll get out. You can rest assured.
Okay.
Thanks. I'll be watching you. I think she's gone. Great, Lucy, hi! I'm so glad to see you, Zach. Hurry up. Do you have some kind of surprise for me? I'm interested to see what's going on here. I decided to keep an eye on the prisoner a little longer. Oh, thanks. But I think it's time for you to leave. Bye, buddy. Stay quiet so I can't hear you. She's finally gone. Let's see what we have here. Wow, a gummy bear. How cute. Hope he's not alone. I need to check the lock a little better. I found it. There's a whole bunch of gummies in here. I just need to hold out my hand and collect them.
Wow!
All these different colors. It's super. Zach knows just what I love. How delicious. Gotcha. I knew your boyfriend had this set up. Give me those gummies. What gummies? I don't know what you're talking about. You're lying to me. What are you doing? I would never. Confiscating sweets is the best thing I could have thought of. While no one's here, I'm gonna eat them. What's going on? How dare you spray me? It's a sanitary treatment. This is a high-risk area. You need to go away. Copy that. I'm already picking up my things. Thanks for letting me know. It wasn't so hard to fool her. Where's Zach? Oh, I missed you so much. You're here. Hooray! Come on, my love. You're free. I knew you'd get me out of here. And look what I brought. There's a whole lot of sweets here. Just for you. You're the best. Where do I start? I think I'll start with the Twix. I love it so much. Taste of chocolate and freedom. What could be even better? All right, let's hurry up and get out of here. Oh, take your time, guys. I knew this was a setup.
ये क्या है? हम गिर चुके हैं. ओह मेरा सर इतनी जोर से लग चुका है. हाँ देखते हूँ अब ये कैसे भागने की कोशिश करते हैं. इधर आओ. तुमने भागने की कोशिश क्यों की? हाँ मैं भी ये लेके जा रही हूँ. हाँ मेरी शर्ट लेके चली गई है वो. हाँ मेरी शर्ट. ओह आइडिया, मुझे आइडिया आया है. हाँ इससे वो ट्विंस पड़ी है. ओह चलो हाफ हाफ करते हैं. यस बहुत मज़ेदार है ये तो. बहुत मज़ेदार. ओके दोस्तों अगली वीडियो में आपसे मुलाकात होगी. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़. इसीलिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो कमेंट में मुझे बताएं और आपको मेरी वीडियो कैसी लगी. तब तक के लिए दोस्तों अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.